like it?
सीट दो
अचानक से गाना चला.
You have to go and euphoria makeup. You have to do your euphoria makeup so I can see and learn. Once I want to know that.
Okay. Oh, पीछे तो you'll do for me, right?
हाँ. It's day 186 of we going out for parties.
365.
No. I love that movie though. And still we are finding Saundarya's phone. Today we called Saundarya's phone by Saundarya's phone to find Saundarya's phone.
मैं हूँ Somebody help me finding that.
What?
Hearing a page.
In a moment, I think. तो तुम्हारे बाल को इतनी जरूरत नहीं है.
Thank you.
हाँ, check.
ईमानदारी.
की बीमारी छोड़
I have
के
golden.
आजा तोड़ के आजा तेरे दिल तुझको. What's the name? Levitate.
Yes, one minute.
मैं तो बहुत पीछे रखा जाता.
Coming.
Yeah. Let's go.
Can you call my phone? I can't find my phone.
Where are phone here? Your phone, her? Nisha. Hello? Nisha's phone?
Hi.
Where are you?
Why am I giving Sai Baba?
Saiba was female. No controversy.
He's a bit slower. Trying to sleep.
Sorry. No, we'll talk slow. If Sai Baba was female. Hail Mary. Oh, Kabir sent me the place. Like, are we going to party 2 days constantly? I'm all.
Hi guys, so I was sleeping because I was very tired and these guys they were just talking and not stopping and फिर मुझे उठना पड़ा.
इसको टी चाहिए थी, इसको भी बात करना था,
लेकिन
इसको भी बात करना था और इसको बस ये था कि तुम लोग अभी क्यों बात कर रहे हो, बात ही क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो. जब मैं सो के उठूं तब बात करो, इसलिए आई है. घंटा इसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, ये कंबल ओढ़ के सो जाती.
बात तो सही है, बात तो लड़की की बहुत सही है.
आगे ज्वाइन कर ली सीधे काम.
मुझे तब बात करना चाहिए जब मैं उठूं. मैं सो रही हूँ तो क्यों बात कर रही हूँ, मुझे भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होना चाहिए. Because of you वो लड़के को मैं पसंद आई हूँ. अगर आप सिंगल होते तो I was not on the list. It was that you are not single इसलिए I was on the list.
What
He's like,
kind of conspiracy theory is this?
अरे नहीं, I am telling you. He was saying अरे बता रही हूँ. And then you were like, you were off the field. I have a boyfriend. I'm not there. And then फिर वो गया नहीं. फिर वो मेरे पास ही घूम के आ रहा है. Because
A good man, no? That's how people should be.
I am just saying, like, you know, मैं just इनको convince कर रही हूँ बाहर जाने के लिए. You don't wanna go? See, even she.
What kind of question is this?
You know, she already assumed that we are going.
Being healthy or not, so there are 3 types of girls. One is natural source. Second is thoda sa vegetable source food. I'm totally caffeine, bro. Shit. Instant energy. Boop. Cool. College वाले दिन याद आ गए. We're studying abroad.
Seriously,
I used to puke like that only. Same only, I've
The
seen
last
time I puked like that was in college.
क्या क्या दिन आ जाते हैं लोगों के.
So I liked a guy. Actually, I didn't. Fuck it. Cut that.
Cut.
Cut.
Cut to. Take.
टेक टू गो. सॉरी इसको प्लीज वहाँ पे वापस रख दो प्लीज. ये जहाँ पे था उसको वहाँ पे वापस रख दिया जाए.
1 minute come on birth guys.
1 मिनट का मॉन.
अबे मरी नहीं है भाई अभी.
प्लीज
मरी नहीं है वो मौत में भर रहा उसके लिए.
मेरे को हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा. हम थोड़ा ना चीजें यहाँ से अलग रखते हैं. हमारे हाथ पैर थोड़ा ज्यादा चलते हैं. टेक
Okay.
टू.
So he was wearing a very nice leather jacket. So I asked him, dude, I told him, I really liked your leather jacket. He said, it's my dad's. I'm like, cool, dude. He was like, okay, cool. Nice. He was like, it will look so good on you. And I was like, honey, I have so many jackets. It's definitely gonna look good on me. And then the next statement, unexpected statement, he said, it looked good on my dad also. I said, what kind of daddy issues do you have?
Why would you say that?
क्या? Why is he talking about his dad to me?
Because the jacket is from his dad.
But why are you telling me after you asked me, kiddo, it will look good on you? I said, yeah, it will definitely look good on me. It looks good on my dad also.
Because it's his jacket, Kanchi.
It was so weird, dude. I was like, dude,
I
why
will
are
find it weird.
And
Let
then-
me know, am I the asshole?
And then I asked him, kiddo, why are you telling me about your dad? Like, I respect it.
Because you asked about the jacket which belongs to his dad.
But why you wanna tell it looks good on my dad also?
Because it's his jacket, Kanchi.
You were talking about jackets, so he was giving you replies about jackets only.
Oh my god. Then I met her. Then I saw that she's leaving. I came behind you guys. She said, I liked a guy. She was like, can you help me? So I only heard, I liked a guy, can you help me? He's somewhere
Why didn't you
I
tell me?
talking. I heard I liked a guy you were talking to. I'm like, done. I went back to that guy. She's trying to tell me something, but itne bheed mein I cannot. Hungover, every shit. So much energy in my head. I was like, yes, I went. Dude,
So you
can
went
get-
to the jacket wala.
I went to the jacket
Oh,
वाला
you
guy. I went to the same leather jacket वाला guy जिसको मैं अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मुंह पे बोल के आई थी you have weird kind of daddy issues but I respect it dude but okay. And then I went and I was like I think my friend really likes you, can I get your Instagram? And then he said something which I don't remember right now, or he moved his face something weirdly. I thought he was rude. I just said, dude, I think you're too rude for me. I just left. And then she said, that was not the guy. I'm like, fuck, dude, I'm so sorry.
That guy must be thinking she is so weird.
Arey,
She came to me. She only said my jacket is nice. When I told it's my father's jacket and I told my father looks nice, she told me I have daddy issue. Then she came, asked for my Instagram and said that you are too.
And that too, I'm telling you, I told her so many times, not the guy you're talking to, not that one.
And the worst
the one with the dance, the one with the dance. मैंने बहुत
नीचे
अच्छे से
अपने
बोला.
साथ ही आया वो बंदा, लिफ्ट में अपने साथ ही वो बंदा था, नीचे भी अपने साथ ही वो बंदा है और मैं ऐसे थी.
हम लिफ्ट से नीचे.
हम लिफ्ट से नीचे आए.
हम लिफ्ट से नीचे नहीं आए.
क्या बोल रहे हो? लिफ्ट आई नहीं, एक टल्ला
लिफ्ट
का
था ना.
नहीं.
क्या ही वो एफर्ट करेगा.
And the
तुम
best
जाने
है,
दो.
हम तीनों में से एक ही बंदे रिलेशनशिप में. Very serious, very serious. Which told the whole club, whole fucking club.
I
Not two
have a
people,
boyfriend.
Not 2 people, not 4, not 8, whole club.
I have a boyfriend.
The moment she is screaming, she's telling a guy, dude, I have a boyfriend. Even though we 3 are hanging out with you, I have a boyfriend. Check out these 2 girls. और उतने में उसको समझ नहीं आया. हम क्लब में चिल्ला के बात करते हैं, गाना बंद हो गया. She's screaming, I have a boyfriend.
Music just turned off.
Yeah, and I was like, what the fuck? Cool. The guy behind me who was introducing me to his girlfriend because I liked his girlfriend ka top. He's like, that's cool. I'm like, huh? Oh yeah, that girl was nice. I made her dance with her. She was really pretty, but her boyfriend was so insecure, so he did not leave her hand even for the moment when I took my girls to
They
dance
might
with
just
him.
be love. Calm down. Thank you.
Ice cream mango?
हाँ, please. चॉकलेट ब्राउनी.
चॉकलेट ब्राउनी खाएगी खांसी में.
You have no idea how much I like ice cream. That's the one thing I can never say no. मुझे भी बैटमैन चाहिए.
I want it in pink.
I don't
I
know
want
pink
this in blue.
Pink तो बैटमैन नहीं आया. This is not Batman.
बैटमैन चाहिए भी नहीं मुझे.
This is Superman.
Batman is two-faced cunt.
No comments.
Literally.
Too controversial. Too controversial statement.
Batman.
You had everything. You have whole money in life. You have Catwoman
Okay, good.
on your side.
Yeah, today I was talking to my Mausi. She just had like recently 2 months पहले a baby. तो मेरे को तब से कॉल करने का टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. So today I called because I was free, मतलब कुछ काम था नहीं. तो मैं उसको उससे खिला रही थी. I was like मौसी मेरे पास एक टॉय है जिससे मैं खिला सकती हूँ उस बच्चे को यहाँ बैठे बैठे. फिर मैं उसको खिला रही. मौसी बोल रही तुम बच्चों का टॉय रखते हो? मैंने बोला हाँ मौसी मैं बच्ची हूँ. No matter how much I grow up, this phone is gonna remain OG phone. बचपन में इससे कितनी बातें की है, कितनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हमने साइन कर लिए बड़ी बड़ी, 10-10 लाख की, आप जानते भी नहीं हो.
My brother is in Thailand with his wife.
I don't know.
I'm ringing you again. You come back, okay? See, Nisha's phone actually spoke. This works.
भोला भाला था सीधा साधा था मैं तो नादान था.
भाई साहब इतने